Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Rose and I share content on personal growth, the power of attraction, and living a balanced life. Today, we're diving into a topic that most of us experience at least once in our lives: breakups. They're tough, right? But they don't have to break you. So, in this video, I'm going to share with you a practical and spiritual guide on how to heal after a breakup. The first step in healing is to acknowledge your emotions. After a breakup, it's common to feel a range of emotions: sadness, anger, confusion, even relief. Whatever you're feeling, it's valid. Don't suppress those emotions or feel ashamed for having them. Allow yourself to grieve. Journaling can help you release those emotions, so write about how you feel. Cry if you need to. It's important to honor your feelings, but remember, you are not your emotions. You're simply experiencing them. Give yourself permission to feel without judgment, because that's the first step towards healing. When we're in a relationship, we form strong, energetic connections with the other person. And when it ends, those connections can linger, making it hard to move on. That's why it's so important to cut those energetic cords. You can do this through a simple meditation practice. Sit quietly, close your eyes, and visualize any energetic cords that may still connect you to your ex. Then, imagine yourself gently cutting those cords, releasing both of you. This isn't about erasing the past, but freeing yourself from any emotional baggage. This process can feel liberating. It's a reminder that you're reclaiming your energy and your power. Next up is self-love, and this one is huge. After a breakup, we often feel like we've lost a part of ourselves. But this is actually the perfect time to reconnect with who you are and what you need. Focus on self-care. Do things that make you feel good about yourself. That could mean eating well, exercising, spending time in nature, or simply taking time to rest and recharge. Remember, the relationship you have with yourself sets the tone for all other relationships in your life. When you love and care for yourself deeply, you become whole. And that wholeness is the foundation for future relationships. Section 4. Learn the lessons. Every breakup has a lesson, and it's up to you to find it. Ask yourself, what did I learn from this relationship? What did it teach me about myself, my needs, and my boundaries? Sometimes, the biggest lessons come from our toughest experiences. Reflect on the relationship without blame or regret. What could you do differently in the future? What patterns do you want to avoid? The goal is to grow from the experience, not dwell on it. When you approach a breakup as a learning opportunity, you transform the pain into wisdom. Section 5. Surround yourself with positivity. As you heal, it's important to surround yourself with positive influences. Spend time with friends and family who lift you up. Engage in activities that bring you joy. Join communities or groups that align with your values. Being around positive energy will help you stay uplifted, especially on days when you might feel down. Remember, you don't have to go through this alone. Lean on your support system and allow positivity to fill your life again. Section 6. Trust the healing process. Finally, trust the process. Healing doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey, and some days will be harder than others. But with time, you'll find that the pain softens, and you become stronger. Everything happens for a reason, even the things that hurt. Trust that the universe has a plan for you, and that this is a necessary step in your personal evolution. Be patient with yourself. Healing is not linear, but with each day you're moving closer to peace and clarity. Outro, inviting your audience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on healing, self-growth, and spiritual well-being. Let me know in the comments what part of the healing process resonates most with you. I'm sending you all love and light on your journey to healing.